So she's sensitive at her poll, which is the base of the skull and the first vertebrae in the neck. So if I bring her around to the right, she's super comfortable, no fuss. But if I do the same thing on the left, a little bit of head tossing, so there's some discomfort on this side. And when I flexed her around to the shoulder to come touch, she was a little bit tighter coming this way too. So this is one of the ways that I can tell that they need to be adjusted in the upper neck. So I'm going to adjust this and then I'm going to recheck. Yeah, I can see that's pretty evident. Give that to her for a sec. There we go. So I'm going to recheck her to her left shoulder. See if she comes over there easier than she did before. So that's super easy right there. And then I'm going to check up here. So that's much better. So just before and after checks, make sure I cleared it out. She should be good.